Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am going to show you how to use ShadowSense for your brows. So start with a brush like this. An angled brush works really nice for your brows. This one also has a spoolie on the end, so you can kind of just brush through your brows to get started. And I really like the color Rustic Brown ShadowSense for my brows. Comes on an applicator like this. You can just pick up a little bit of the ShadowSense with your brush, and you're going to want to start kind of on the second half of your brows, because that is where you're going to want most of the color deposited. So it's a good place to start, just filling in your brows with the ShadowSense. So ShadowSense is a cream to powder shadow. So it will dry down, but you have a little while to play with it and blend it in, a minute or two. And when you're doing your brows, it's going to be a lot easier if they have been already professionally shaped, so you can just fill it in. But basically, you're wanting to end your brow from the corner of your eye out, and you're going to just extend your brow that far. And then I'm just filling it in more towards where you're going to want to start your brows. If you use the brush as a guide from your inner corner and up. So you just want to make sure on the inner part here that you don't have too much product. So you want it to be a little bit more of an ombre effect, so you don't want it to be like too dark. So a little less product on the inside here to make it a little bit more of an ombre. I like ShadowSense to fill in my brows because it gives you a little bit more to work with if your brows are thinner. My brows are thinner, they're sparser, so I like a little bit more product to be able to fill them in with. This, I think, gives you kind of a similar look if you used the Anastasia Dip Brow. It gives you a similar look. Actually a little bit easier to work with than Dip Brow. And so here are my ShadowSense brows using Rustic Brown.